Alright, so this video, let's look at multiplying numbers that are written in scientific notation. Alright, so let's look at the first example here. So we've got 1.4 times 10 to the 15th times 3 times 10 to the negative 11. So what we're going to do is the 1.4 and the 3, we're going to multiply those together, and we'll multiply the 10 to the 15 and 10 to the negative 3 together. So the 1.4 times 3, you may have to punch that into your calculator. You can do that, or you can come over here to the side and just do, let's see, 1.4 times 3, so that's 2, carry your 1. So that would give us 4.2. Okay, so the 1.4 times 3, that's 4.2. Let me get a different color. So that's 4.2 times, and now we have 10 to the 15th times 10 to the negative 11. Now remember there's an exponential property that says a to the m times a to the n is equal to a to the m plus n. If you're multiplying numbers and you have like bases, you just add the exponents. And so this would be times 10, and then we add exponents, so that's 15 plus negative 11. And so this would give us 4.2 times 10, and then 15 plus negative 11 is 4. And this would be your answer. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Alright, so we've got 4.3 and 6.2. We've got to multiply those together, and then we'll multiply the 10 to the 8th and 10 to the 4 together. So you can come over here to the side and do the 4.3 times 6.2. Well, let's see, that's 6, 8, and then that, put our 0, that would be 8, carry your 1, 25, and so that would be 6, 6, carry your 1, 6, and 2, and we have to move the decimal place 1, 2 places, so that is going to be 26.66. I'm going to check myself. Easy to make a mistake. I'm just checking myself so I don't have the wrong numbers in the video. Yeah, and that's it, 26.66 times, and then the 10 to the 8th times 10 to the 4th, that would be 10 to the 8 plus 4, and so that gives us 26.66 times 10, and then the 8 plus 4, that would be 12. Okay, now this is not in scientific notation, because remember, the decimal has to be to the right of the first digit, and the 2 is the first digit. So what do we need to do? We need, just pretend like this part here, pretend like it's not even there. Pretend like you've just got 26.66, and you want to convert this to scientific notation. Okay, now let's just do it over here. So to do that, we would need to move this one place to the left. So that would be 2.666 times 10, and then we moved it to the left, so the exponent would be positive. We moved it one place to the left, so it would be positive 1. I have a video on converting from a number in standard form to scientific notation if you need to check that out. But this would be the 26.66 in scientific notation. Alright, so the 26.66 is 2.666 times 10 to the first. Okay, that's just this part. And then don't forget, we still have this, times 10 to the 12th. And then this would be 2.666 times, now look what I'm doing. I'm multiplying I have like bases, so I add the exponents. So that would be times 10 to the 1 plus 12, and so that's 2.666 times 10 to the 13th. And this would be our answer. Alright, so I hope the video helped. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.